This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 33.2 is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, TV, oven, leveling jacks, awning, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, slide-out, skylight, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 33.2 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.